Literally confess this lipstick. In this video,
I'm going to show you the skincare that I got from Korea, the cosmetics that I got, and also the souvenirs that I have purchased. Let's start with Korean haul. This fridge magnet is my most favorite one, and it gives an illusion of a stamp, but in reality it's a magnet. It's very chic and classy and a metallic magnet. This one is an acrylic magnet. Both these magnets Kunal and I picked up from Seoul Tower in Seoul. Then we had a day trip to Nami Island. If you have not watched my travel vlogs, I'm going to link it in the description box below so you guys can watch it. We picked up this metal fridge magnet from Nami Island and picked up the fall one because we were there during spring and we liked it more than the others. This is from Busan, another city in Korea, where we sat inside a sky capsule and it was absolutely beautiful. Do watch these vlogs. This again is from Sky Capsule Busan, and you can hang it anywhere. I'm going to use this with a purse of mine. This is another beautiful bag charm that I picked up from Seoul Tower itself. I was super thrilled and excited for Korean shopping. First, I had little inhibitions that I didn't know whether the Korean skincare and makeup is going to live up to its hype or not, but boy, it does not disappoint. It has lived up to its hype, and how I cannot begin to explain. So I have made a video where I'll try and explain the hype and love for Korean skincare that has recently developed after this trip of mine. So hi everyone, this is Parita here and welcome to my channel. The only place that I've visited on my Korean trip is Olive Young, which is equivalent to say Nykaa or Pantaloons, which basically has a lot of brands under one umbrella. So say if you plan on buying something off Innisfree, you will get it in Olive Young. But of course there are these standalone stores like Tony Moly, Innisfree, Etude, etc., where you will find things relatively cheaper than Olive Young, but Olive Young gives you the opportunity to get everything under one roof. Let me give you a little sneak peek inside Olive Young. I just love how they display all the best selling products. They have these aisles and kiosks where they have listed everything, if it's best seller on Amazon, if it's best seller in Korea. Just look at this creativity, man. There is this injection replica on top of this serum where you extract the serum out of the bottle with the help of this replica injection and use it to apply it on your skin or your face. You will literally have to be blind to miss an Olive Young store in Seoul or Busan because it is literally at every 500 meters. I just wish there were instructions written in English so I could understand, but Google Translate was very helpful. Keep it extremely handy. The best thing about Google Translate is that you can upload a picture and it will translate the entire picture for you. There is also another advantage. If your bill is more than 15,000 won, which is mere 1,000 Indian rupees, you get a tax exemption benefit at Olive Young. You can take the receipt and either claim it there itself in the store. It varies, the store to store policies are different, or you can claim your tax refund at whichever airport you are exiting from. So once you reach the airport, remember to take custom officer signature and documents before you enter immigration security, because that's what happened to us. We forgot to do that, and that's why we did not get a lot of tax refund that we should have or we could have. So after your security and immigration is where you will get the refund in any of the currencies. Of course there are limitations, so we chose USD. INR was not available, and won obviously doesn't make sense for us. So always remember, customs officer will be outside the area and they would have mentioned in this document, which I'm going to show it here, of where he would be in Incheon airport, and in Busan airport it's just at the entrance, and you enter and you take a left. The officer will be there, but he comes I think after 6:30 or 7 a.m. so you need to check the timings. South Korea is extremely famous for skincare and cosmetics, so I literally have a 7 kilo cabin luggage filled full of skincare and makeup products. I had seen this sebum softener on Instagram. I'm just going to show you the video here. This is an oil which you apply it on your face wherever you have blackheads or whiteheads. You use it and it will soften the sebum and extract the pores out automatically. This one I purchased from Busan Olive Young, where I got 5% discount on my entire shopping. This one additionally had 1+1 offer, where in the same cost I got another 50 ml free. This is step 2 of cleaning your nose from the outside, removing the blackheads. Basically, you just use this water like softener, put it, apply it on your nose and rest it with cotton. After 15 minutes, you start scraping it off. So this is the serum, and I also got free cotton pads along with it. So to be honest, there are a lot of chemicals in these products. So I'm not confident enough, not sure enough of what chemicals and ingredients would be best suitable for my face, and I do not want to take a chance because my face overall, however it is, I love it. So I am sticking to mostly skincare products, which is for cleansing instead of routine, unless I get some more information on it. This is the scraper which you use it on your nose. Laneige is born in Korea, so my trip to Korea would not be complete if I did not buy at least one Laneige. There are a lot of flavors that you get only in Korea. I picked this one in a lot of rush, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this one it is. And I think I paid slightly more for this than what it is priced in India. I used it overnight, and entire night the product was on, and lips felt plump, but next day was so-so. Now this lip mask, you have to apply it in the night and comes with a silicone spatula which is extremely soft and cute. This is the signature swirl lip mask that I'm talking about. You need to go on Laneige Bespoke international website, and once you are there, just click on those 3 lines and click on Bespoke, where you can click on lip sleeping mask. Just look at these beautiful colors. I cannot believe that I missed this. Just look at everything. It is so damn cute. There are 45 flavors from which you can select from, and I think I need to go to Korea again now. You click on book service and you'll be redirected to the calendar and change in location. So you need to book at 0000 hours Korea time on 15th of the month for the next month's schedule. So currently you see for June, you need to book on 15th of May and get your slot. So each slot will get you one product. This is for Bespoke, which is for cushion or liquid foundation. You can pick any. I used Biodance mask, which falls under the luxury category, and it gave the effects of an equipment used on my face, and I kid you not, and I'm not exaggerating at all. How you use this mask is that you apply it overnight so that it does not slip off. It is white when you use it, but after 3 hours and after 4 hours it starts becoming translucent and eventually transparent. So it has to be left overnight for almost 12 hours. There's a lip portion as well, so that you don't talk and you're just sleeping. I was worried that it will be uncomfortable, but it just seeps right through your skin. It just becomes your second skin. It is that good. The next day I saw the pores which were minimized and closed. I could feel my skin plump, and yeah, it was there. You can see it all here. You can use this mask only after your skincare prep is done, after moisturizing your face and cleaning your face, and you can use this only twice in a week. I recently learned that toner helps in minimizing the pores size, and we can use this after our face is clean. As I said that I want to stay away from chemicals as much as possible, I have chosen rice toner, and it is from one of my favorite brand, that is House of Joseon. So I accidentally got a sunscreen from this brand last year, and it has worked wonders. I absolutely love that sunscreen. So I blindly picked up things from this brand. Just look at this toner. You can see the rice water here along with other ingredients. It is extremely lightweight and literally feels water-like. Additionally, I also do not understand much of ingredients, so I try to keep it simple. Once you open these products, you should check out for these signs. This talks about the expiry of the product once you have opened it. So here it says 12 months. So I have April or May 2026 before finishing this product. This is a rice mask, again from the same brand, House of Joseon, where the smell is very rice-like. The texture is also very mushy rice-like, very natural, clean. There's this glass bottle, I mean, and this plastic spatula, which is of very good quality. You can just figure it out while you hold it. Try not to use the spatula on the skin, because those dirt and all, you do not want it to be mixed with the entire jar of your product. Just take the spatula and make sure that there is no contact between your skin and spatula. It's just you are applying the product on your skin. Collagen is currently very big right now, so we got a non-invasive mask for friends and family, these collagen masks. I got this Biodance mask for Kunal because this says reducing dullness. Basically, this acts good for Kunal's skin type and what all problems that he faces. This will work for him. This again is a pore mask for your nose, but I recently learned after shopping this, obviously, that the Koreans do not use these dirt masks anymore, and they use the sebum ones, which I showed at the beginning of this video. I picked up two different brands, and this one has 16 pores. I used it and it's absolutely amazing. Cleans your nose like there's no tomorrow. We picked up Torridon, which is a brilliant brand. We picked up sunscreen. Kunal wanted to try this and we got it 1 plus 1 off. So on Amazon India, when we checked the price, it's 1500 for one, but here we got 1500 for two, the same 60 ml, which we can use it in cabin luggage as well because it falls under 100 ml category. This has a push button and again extremely soft cream water-like consistency, leaves no white cast, absorbs quickly within seconds on your skin. Kunal and I absolutely love this one. MediHeal is also a brilliant brand. PDRN is the new skin talk for 2025-26 because it uses salmon DNA. It is non-invasive. We thought we'll try it in mask and see. While I was buying makeup products, I faced a little issue with respect to my skin tone and Korean skin tone, where there is a drastic difference. And what I felt that they do not buy a lot of pigmented lip colors, and I faced a little difficulty in trying to figure out a lip color or a blush that suits my skin tone. So I stuck to skincare, where they are extremely renowned for. I will literally do anything for this lipstick. I cannot believe there is such a thing existing on this planet Earth, so brilliant for our lips. This is absolutely the creamiest lipstick that I've ever used. Look at the bottle also. This also has an extremely velvety cushion touch-like feeling which replicates the lip stain and color inside. Although it is transfer proof, but you can easily overlook this con because the color stays for a long time. This in India you will find it at 4,000 rupees, but in Korea I found it for 1,500 rupees, and in US you get it for 20 USD for one bottle. I have used all the three lip shades that I have purchased from Korea for easy comparison. This is another brand which I picked up. Luckily, thankfully, all these brands are made in Korea, so I am guaranteed that the quality will be great. This shade is 004 and is a paint tube lippy. Just look at this bottle, it's absolutely gorgeous, gives an illusion of a used paint tube. And this again is transfer proof, but the tint is so strong that even after applying makeup remover, it doesn't budge easily. So you need a very strong makeup remover to remove this lipstick of yours. The third lipstick that I got is from Etude, which is called Fixing. Again, extremely soft, but not as the Namda lipstick, but it's very nice. It's the color 20. The bottle again is very soft to touch. These three lip shades are the ones that I found suitable for my skin tone. I finally found it, and this is the translucent cap. And again, a creamy textured product is here. It's a little pink nude,